Hello, I am Miss Madison and I will be your student's Lobo 101 teacher. So I'm super excited to be back. I'm super excited to have the kids back. Lobo 101 is a great class. It's the class where we introduce them to the culture of Rocky and help get them really comfortable and motivated and excited to be here. So again, I'm Miss Madison. My email is lmadison@psdschools.org. I check my email way too often. So if there's anything you need, or if there's anything I should know about what's going on with your student, you can always email me. I check it all the time. So the purpose of Lobo 101, like I said, is to really enculture kids into the culture of Rocky, but it's also to empower them to discover their own potential, to help them make positive differences in their own lives, help them understand their emotional selves, relationships with others, and how to achieve personal success, not only at Rocky, but also beyond. So again, our course objectives, I'm really excited to introduce kids to Rocky. It's a great school. It's the kind of place where people take care of each other. It's the kind of place where you can really thrive. There's a lot of kindness here, and we really value taking care of each other. We're a family here. So my job is to help kids get acclimated to that and help them feel comfortable. I can also help them understanding all the clubs that are offered, how to best advocate for themselves as a student, and just kind of the Lobo way, like how to be good to each other. We will obviously be participating in collaborative, respectful, and reflective learning environments to help build self and social awareness, right? So we're going to be also learning about a variety of emotional and relational skills. So just improving our own understanding of how to regulate our own emotions, how to come and be more positive, and best practices for really emotional health, so they can be their best selves and they can become their best people in the future too. We'll be applying effective communication and talking about how to do academic success and how to advocate for themselves and how to organize and plan to be the best students that they can. We'll also be practicing some community service and giving back. And the counselors come in, and this is a time when they can help students kind of try and figure out their 4-year plan and try to figure out like what would they like to do and what classes would best meet those goals. Okay, good. We also examine like who they are as people, and again, just try and like talk about like where are you going? What do you want to do? So I am going to again be your touch point for acclimating into Rocky. My goal is to equip the students with tools that will help them feel the best they can feel, learn the most they can learn, advocate for themselves, and be open to all growth and all the possibilities that are available in high school. So it's an exciting class. The grading system is pass-fail, just so you guys know. That means that you score at least 75% of the total points offered. These are really easy points. If your student is in class every day, they're going to be passing, not a problem. Again, if there's an issue with attendance, they will call home and we'll be touching base about like how to problem solve if students are not participating or attending in class. So that's really all I have for you guys for tonight. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Again, you have my email. It's lmadison@psdschools.org. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything I should know about your students. Okay. Have a good night. Thanks.